What's Son of the Smoke Boss back at it again today. Hey, I know y'all probably tired of seeing me, but hey. So today I got some salmon. I'm gonna be doing some smoked honey Dijon mustard salmon. Just gonna come seasoned with some kosher salt all over it. Onion powder. And next I'm gonna hit with the black pepper. So I'm gonna show you guys a little trick I'm gonna do. I should have grabbed this first, but to keep my salmon from sticking to my grate, I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with some just hit it just like that. And we're gonna place it on here just like this. And let's go put it in the smoke. So I'm gonna be putting it in my electric smoker today. And we're gonna turn it on keep the temperature at about 150 and just let it smoke for about an hour and a half. So this is gonna be me making my glaze for my salmon. So I got some stone ground mustard. I got some honey Dijon. I got some honey Dijon mustard. I got some soy sauce. And I got just some raw honey. Okay. So I'm going to use 1/4 of a cup of honey Dijon mustard. 1/4 of a cup of honey. I'm going to use a tablespoon of soy sauce. And 2 tablespoons of the stone ground mustard. And I'm just going to turn this on low heat so all this can mix nice and good together. Alright, so you see she getting to a nice little boil. We'll go ahead and turn it off. And let's wait for the salmon to finish smoking. Just let this sit. Product straight out the smoker. Sorry I couldn't show it to you guys coming out the smoker because it was raining outside. Hey, but thanks for checking out this video. Go over to my Instagram and follow me on there, Southern Smoke Boss. Hey, if you're a new viewer, go ahead and push that subscribe button so you can get that bell daily of my uploads. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out.